Hi everyone, welcome to your second lesson in learning how to use the equation editor. I'm going to start off by going to assessments and then assignments. Here you'll find your 4.2 opening activity. I've also linked this under content under today's lesson, so you can either access it through assessments or content. So I'm going to click the activity. And then under instructions, there are just a bunch of information for you. So it says reminder, use fractions to represent division and brackets to represent multiplication as much as possible. So if you're going to use the division sign here or the multiplication sign here, you're going to access these operations through the equation editor. Let me show you down here. I'm going to click my more and then the editor. And then this second tab here, we have all our operations here. So here's the multiplication operation and here's the division operation. And then you can just insert and then those are your operations. I just space bar a bit and I'm going to open up the editor again. If I just type in with the keypad, if I just type in X and then insert, that looks different than the operation X. Okay, so the first X to the left, that is the operation multiplication. The X to the right, that is a variable. Okay, so there is a difference between multiplication and a variable. Okay, so that's why at the top here, I am asking you to avoid using the multiplication sign as much as possible. Instead, use brackets, or you can use the dot here, which I'll show you where you can find that. Okay, so let me just spacebar a bit and open up the editor. Okay, so second tab again, right here, there's a little dot that you are welcome to use to represent multiplication or of course just the brackets. One more time, let me open up the equation editor. Okay, and so there's brackets here. You can always just push that and then type inside the brackets, or you may just, with your keyboard, you can just type in brackets. Either one is fine. Okay, and then lastly, this is down at the bottom here is a degree sign. We're not going to need that for this unit, but we're going to need it for the end units of this course. So it's important for you to just know where to locate it. Again, the second tab here, it's right here. You click on that, and that is a degree sign, which we will need when we are working with angles later on in the course. Okay, so that's it for day 2 of learning how to use equation editor. There's one more day of learning different features, and then you are good to go to type all of your steps to me. Great job today.